Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download or install Mileage Tracker by MileIQ. Mileage Tracker by MileIQ is an app that allows you to track your business distances to get tax return. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search MileIQ. There you can see Mileage Tracker by MileIQ. Tap on it. Then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Mileage Tracker app by MileIQ to track your mileage to get your tax return. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.